Hello, welcome to this very short video on how to pull Nigerian inflation rate directly into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so it's very straightforward. You go to Insert menu on your Excel 2016, you'll see Get Headings, and then once you click on it, and you type in Nigerian market data, and you see it, you click add. I have already added it in mine, so I won't do this step all over again. So once you click add, it will install it directly into your Microsoft Excel, and you'll find it under the home menu. Right, so you go and you click on the add in Nigerian market data to launch it, and you'll see a bunch of tools in it. The one I'm going to take you through is the inflation. So you click somewhere in Excel and you click on inflation, and instantly it brings out for you all of the inflation rates. They are reported quarterly, no, they are reported monthly, and so it shows you the inflation rate from as far back as, let's see, as far back as, we need to scroll back up, 2007. So that's how it works. Thank you.